Let's kill that LG refrigerator beep from hell. Get a butter knife, jam it in here. Then, just jammed a notepad in there as a wedge. We're just going to get the rest of this off. After some further prying, that looks like our piezo buzzer right there. Let's kill it. Some other people online suggested cutting this orange wire. It did not resolve the problem for us. So I'm waiting for this thing to beep to confirm it's the buzzer. 99.9% sure it is. But who likes to break things that aren't sure about? Beeped its horrible beep. Let's kill it. Okay, so we've had this fridge so long I don't care if the tabs line up perfectly anymore. I can glue it later. You want to punch that in? All right. Don't care. Let's just see if that killed it. Sure looks like the piezo from hell to me. I think it's dead. Let's find out. Say that again?
Give it a minute. Give it a minute.
Are you excited?
One more minute.
To have a beep-free future?
Unbelievable. How many years have we lived without beeping?
I could never figure out how to get into there. I was looking in the wrong spot. Well, it's been a few minutes, and this stupid chime from hell is gone forever. Hopefully you can take care of this for yourself too. Bye-bye.